in Jamaica House Weekly.
There are encouraging indications that 2016 will be a year of continued positive transformation for Jamaica and our people.
As the island ushered in a new year on Friday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller pledged their government's continued commitment to creating the conditions necessary for economic growth and job creation. On the economic front, Mrs. Simpson Miller said local and international investor confidence was high, adding that government's policies were equally supported by local and international groups.
We can all be proud that our country is on track to be successful in our 11th consecutive quarterly review by the IMF.
Speaking to job creation, Mrs. Simpson Miller said the push for more jobs would include a major expansion in micro, small and medium-sized enterprises as well as large investments.
Thousands of new jobs will come on stream this year in the business, process outsourcing and call center sector, tourism, manufacturing and agriculture. Jamaicans and our visitors will experience further ease of traveling and moving goods and services upon the completion of the North-South Highway this year.
With a 30% reduction in energy costs, the Prime Minister urged Jamaicans to continue their conservation measures.
I urge you to embark on energy conservation projects in your homes. Make good use of the energy conservation plans being offered by the utility companies to help us to conserve. There must be no retreat on the gains we have made.
Mrs. Simpson Miller also touched on home and land ownership, education, health, training and job creation for the youth, social protection and crime reduction.
Fighting crime is not just a government business. It is our business. We, government and citizens, must all work together to ensure that Jamaica becomes more and more a safe place to live, raise our families, and do business.
The Prime Minister also used their New Year's Day message to thank public sector workers for their sacrifice, the National Partnership Council for their help, and wished the island's athletes all the best for the Olympics in Rio.
Let 2016 be a year we can look back on with pride and satisfaction. If that is to be so, we have to start today.
Last Tuesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller participated in the official funeral for the Right Reverend Dr. Neville D'Souza, the 12th Bishop of the Diocese of Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. The Prime Minister read a lesson from the Bible during the service which took place at the St. Andrew Parish Church in Halfway Tree. Bishop D'Souza died on December 12 after a long illness. And Mrs. Simpson Miller closed out her week by supporting the 5th staging of Shaggy and Friends, a charity concert held in aid of the Bustamante Hospital for Children. The concert was held on the lawns of Jamaica House Saturday night. Concert organizers Shaggy Make-A-Wish Foundation will donate all proceeds to repair or purchase more than 450 pieces of essential equipment to the Bustamante Hospital. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.